In the vast world of data analysis for PhD research, finding the best software can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Enter R, a free and open-source software environment lauded for its statistical computing and graphics capabilities. If you crave flexibility, R is your go-to, with its ability to handle complex statistical techniques. On the other hand, Python, a high-level programming language, is another crowd favorite. Its simplicity and versatility make it a contender for the top spot. Python's powerful libraries, such as Pandas and NumPy, are designed to make data analysis a breeze. Lastly, don't overlook SPSS. This software is a staple in social sciences research due to its user-friendly interface and robust data management features. Remember, the best software is the one that suits your research needs and skill set. Happy analyzing. Scene 2. Engage with our channel. Before we delve deeper into the world of data analysis, we'd like to take a moment to remind you of the wealth of information available at your fingertips. If you're finding value in our content and want to stay up to date with the latest in the field of PhD research, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. From software reviews to research tips and tricks, we're dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge you need to excel in your academic journey. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and join our community of scholars. Stay tuned for more insights.